Hey everybody, it's Vide with WTI, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about my favorite kitchen tool, the NINJA FOODI DELUXE. I have the 8-quart version, and I'm going to show you all the tools that it comes with and how to use it. It's super simple. So, you can pressure cook. If you're going to pressure cook, you're going to simply just use this lid here. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the pressure cooking lid, right? You're going to want to make sure you have your pot in it. This is the 8-quart pot. As you can see, it's pretty big. You can fit entire chicken, you can make soup, lots of things. Place your pot in along with your pressure lid and you're ready to get started. If you're going to air fry, you still need the pot in, but you can also use the basket. So this basket is great for air frying. You place it inside, and then this is the air frying lid that's automatically attached to the unit. It's simple to use. All you're gonna do is select your function. You do that by turning the knob. So let's say we want to air crisp. We turn the knob, click temperature, set our temperature, click time, set our time, and then push the button to start. Isn't that easy? Push it to stop if you want. It has settings like pressure cook, steam, slow cook and yogurt, sear, sauté, air crisp, broil, bake, roast. Yeah, you can buy accessories to bake too. Dehydrate. So it also comes with a little recipe book, which is great for instructions on how to use it and the temperature and time to cook all the foods. And then if your food doesn't fit all in that one little basket, it comes with these little 2 trays, this rack, which makes it easy to make a little bit more food at the same time. And that is my point of view.